Hey team, so I wanted to spend a little bit of time talking about rates and unit rates. So our eQuad was explain the relationship between a rate and its unit rate. So obviously we know that we're talking about rates and unit rates here. And we can also do a little bit of pre-reading and have the understanding that a unit rate is probably a type of rate. So, if you're riding your bike to your friend's house, and that's 15 miles away, it takes you 3 hours to get there. We know we can make a ratio out of that. We can say, hey, that's 15 to 3. We know ratios, great. But now we're gonna talk about a rate. And a rate is just a type of ratio where we add in the units. So it's 15 miles in 3 hours. That's what a rate is. All we're doing, taking the ratio, rewriting it with units, okay? Now for the fun part, unit rate. A unit rate, all that says is that the number on the bottom's 1. And we can make 3 into 1 by dividing it by 3. Here's the thing. We can't just divide it by 3. We have to do to the top what we do to the bottom. We can't just do it to one side. Okay, so we're going to divide both numbers by 3 and get 5 miles per 1 hour, or just 5 miles per hour. Okay, let's try that one more time. So if there's 15 inches of rain that's falling in 5 hours, we want to figure out how much is in 1 hour. I've got 15 inches, I've got 5 hours, and I've got 1 hour. Seems pretty self-explanatory that my ratio is going to be 15 to 5. And then I can make that rate into 15 inches in 5 hours, right? 15 inches, 5 hours. And we're doing the same thing, just the denominator this time is 5, so we're going to divide both the numerator and the denominator by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3, so I get 3 inches per 1 hour, or 3 inches per hour. Great, so unit rate, not too crazy, not too much more work. Maybe you should give one of these problems a try.